Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out from Pokemon TCG Pocket account. Let's begin. So for this video, I'm going to the GameRant's website, and then there are a few sections here. It says how to log out in Pokemon TCG Pocket, log out by reinstalling the game, then log out by deleting save data, and how to switch accounts in Pokemon TCG, then how to transfer Pokemon Pocket states to a new device. Let's begin. Says here, there's no built-in logout option in Pokemon TCG Pocket. To sign out of your current account, you must either delete your save data or reinstall the game. It's unlikely that Pocket will add a sign out option, as its absence appears to be a precautionary measure against gacha exploits. Then luckily, there is a workaround, so it says here, log out by reinstalling the game. Tap and hold the game's icon on your device, select uninstall or remove app. Then number 3, ensure the game's data is also removed from your device. Then number 4, reinstall the game. Then number 5, log in with new credentials. Then it says here, log out by deleting save data. Number 1, open the menu with the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Then number 2, go to other. Then 3, select accounts. And number 4, tap delete save data. Then here, how to switch accounts in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Log out of the game by either deleting save data or reinstalling the game. In the title screen, select your country region, agree to terms of use and privacy notice. Then number 4, log in with new credentials. How to transfer Pokemon Pocket state to a new device. Number 1, in the title screen, determine your country/region. Then number 2, confirm your age. 3, acknowledge the terms of use and privacy notice. Then 4, select transfer existing save data. If you cannot access the title screen, you've already logged into a Google/Apple or Nintendo account. To transfer data, you'll need to log out by either deleting the save data or reinstalling the game as explained above. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.